On the fucking guys, it's me, Levi, and today we're gonna be cooking a cheeseburger or whatever the fucking customers want. I don't give a shit. So first, what you guys need to do is you guys need to take the bun, okay? So that concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. I can't reach anything. Aaron, I want you to grab that for me. You just told me to like record, so why am I supposed to grab that? So the next step you're supposed to do is you have to place this patty right over there on that pan. So if I could reach it. After it is done cooking, you're supposed